Tweak style.
Tweak style.
Mastering the tweak effect style in Adobe Illustrator.
Hello everyone, I'm Humaira Laique from HLGRAPHICS. In today's tutorial, we will master the tweak effect style in Adobe Illustrator. This effect adds dynamic, eye-catching variations to your designs, and I will show you how to apply it to various shapes like circles, triangles, squares, and stars. We'll go step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and recreate these stunning effects. Additionally, I'll showcase a beautifully prepared presentation in Photoshop to inspire you on how to present your work professionally. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities of the tweak effect. First, take a circle. After that, go to Edit, click on Copy, go to Edit again, click on Paste in front and color it gray. Now go to Effects and open the Offset path. Now we will reduce the size of this circle and go to minus and click OK. Now we will use the rectangular grid tool. It is located on the reverse side of Illustrator. When you double-click on this tool, a box will open in front of you. Here you have two options: horizontal dividers and vertical dividers. They will be increased from 5 to 20. Thus our square size will be very small. Okay, do it. Now we will place this grid lines above the circle, which is of gray color, and which is the bottom black layer of the circle. We'll go to the Layers panel and lock it. Now you can see that the grid lines have become quite thick and our gray circle is also separate. You want to increase its thickness. Increase. It depends on you. What size would you like your design to be? Now we have both our gray color layer and black color grid lines layer. Both of them will be captured with the help of Selection tool. And we'll open the Pathfinder on the right side. And there we'll click on minus front. Thus we will have a single layer of grid. Now we come to our main task. We will go into Effect. And there you will see the option Distort and Transform open it. Now you have many options in front of you. We will click on Tweak. Now there is a box in front of you with some values written in it. Here you see two options: relative and absolute. When clicking on up relative and changing the horizontal and vertical values, they are in percentages. But as soon as you click on absolute, those values change to pixels. Thus the effect we have will change accordingly. Now the type of texture that you are looking at is created in front of you, so you can make it okay. Take it, a very beautiful and new texture is in front of you, group it. Now expand it too, your work is done here. But there is a problem here. You see that there are some edges of the texture that we have to fix. Here we've added a red color that will convert to a stroke. We'll make the stroke considerably thicker. We will expand it so that it becomes an object. Now we're going to lock the last black circle layer again, and then we're going to grab the top two layers with the Selection tool and go into the Pathfinder and click on Divide. Now we will ungroup it. After that we will delete the red color using the Magic Wand tool and similarly select the gray color using the Magic Wand tool to make it unite. Now you have two layers. Unlock this black layer. Now you have a gray layer and a black layer. Separately, they both got this and click on the minus front. This way we have a single. It has a beautiful tweak texture. It is in front of the layer up. It is a single layer. You can change its color to any color you want. Your work here is now complete. Here I have also applied the same texture within different shapes. It is very beautiful and unique design of tweak style. As you can see at the start, it looks very beautiful over clothes too. We can also use it as a print. If you like my video, please give it a like.